So this bionic looking watch is the Nubia Alpha. So it's a watch plus a phone. It has features of a smartphone, features of a watch. It's nice, it's like a hybrid of the two. What's up guys, Buchanan here with TechTheLead. We're still at Mobile World Congress and we're finding some different tech here. One of them is the Nubia Alpha. So this bionic looking watch is the Nubia Alpha. So it's a watch plus a phone. It has features of a smartphone, features of a watch. It's nice, it's like a hybrid of the two. As you scroll through, you can see it has standard functions of a watch, has a clock, but if you scroll a little deeper, you can see it has functions of a phone. It has calling, it has texting, you can look at maps, you can store your photos, you can take pictures. And then similar to a watch, it also has workout apps. You can listen to music, check the weather. I mean, this thing can do everything. So what's unique about this watch, it has a built-in camera. So let's take a look at it. So you click the camera icon. So you can see here's the camera here. And you can film video, you can take a picture. So let's take a picture of Dan. And you can scroll through your photos here. And then you click this button to go back to the home screen. So another feature we can check out is messaging. Let's check that out. So you can scroll through your text here. You can also do it with a hand gesture. Let's click on a message. So to reply, you just click here. And your touchpad's down here. I'm not seeing any letters. Oh, there we go. So like every other smartwatch, it has features such as music, health features such as heart rate, health, indoor running, outdoor running. I mean, it has a lot of actually has more features than you think on a watch. So if we take a look at music, which is a priority for watches, in my opinion. So we click on music, and you can see the song here. You press play. And it has built-in speakers, but we were testing them out earlier, and they're pretty, comes out of this slot right here. So you can hear it, it's not that loud. For me right now, it's not that loud. For you guys, it is loud, but it's right. And the quality is not that great. So even though the volume on the actual device isn't that great, you can pair this with a set of headphones from Nubia. These come separately for 99 euros. So there is no actual input jack on the watch, but you would pair Bluetooth enabled headphones to the watch to listen to music. So this watch is first rolling out in Europe, and then it'll roll out in US and Canada later this year in 2019. So we just got the scoop on how much this watch is actually gonna cost. When it comes out, it's gonna be around 450 euro. That's about a little over $500, which for this kind of technology isn't that bad. So we just checked out some of the key features of the new Nubia Alpha, and putting it on, it's a little bulky, you know? And we were just talking about how the gold reminded us of the Casio, the old 80s Casio kind of vibe, which we're not mad about, that's cool. But it comes in two colors. It comes in gold and it also comes in black. So you can expect this later this year. And as always, please subscribe to TechTheLead, click the bell at the bottom to get notifications. We'll see you next time.